India ki demography da mahausaga manadama mawongda masing hangalakliba asi yengshinaba mi mangana saba high level committee ama semle haina Union Home Minister Amit Sahana lauthokiba adugi matungina Government of India na Gazette notification ama Thok-Khre Gazette notification aduna high nauna semlaba high level committee on demographic changes HLCDC adugi chairman retired Justice Prakash Prabhakar Naulekar na oiduna luchingani Committee dugi member secretary na Ministry of Home Affairs ki joint secretary foreigner one oigani aduga member oina census commissioner retired IAS Durga Sankar Mishra retired IPS Balaji Srivastav amadi Dr Samika Rabi Khalei committee asina tai expert amadi agency sing su nominate tawduna mathau tarakpada tanagani masigi manungda local government security agency social organization amadi academic institution sing yauri hairi